White Horehound. White Horehound has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for respiratory ailments. White Horehound contains various compounds, including marabine, which possess expectorant properties, making it effective in promoting the expulsion of mucus from the respiratory tract. This herb is particularly useful in cases of unproductive coughs, where the cough is dry and non-productive, as it helps to stimulate the production and secretion of mucus, facilitating its removal. The expectorant action of White Horehound can provide relief by reducing the irritation caused by persistent coughing and promoting easier breathing. It is often prepared as an herbal infusion or syrup and consumed orally to support respiratory health and alleviate cough symptoms. Dosage: infuse up to 1 teaspoon 2 grams dried flowing tops of horehound in boiling water. Drink 3 cups per day.